Okay, this is how you put your ink cartridge in your HP printer. First, you tear off the plastic. Then you have this orange piece here. You have to break that off to expose the the ink output. Make sure you don't touch this chip here. So you break that off. Then you just, I already have 3 of them in, so then you just slide it into place, snap it in. It's as easy as that. And it's color coordinated, so as you can see, it tells you where to put the pink, where to put the blue, where to put the yellow, and where to put the black. You also have a display screen here. This is an HP computer. This is the HP Photo Smart 6510. Once you have the ink cartridges installed, you just hit done. And that's pretty much it. You want to make sure you don't touch this white ribbon, nor the chip on the ink cartridges, nor the the ink output itself. Okay, when you're done, you just want to close the lid back down, and that completes the insertion of the ink cartridges. As you can hear, they're loading, and you just hit OK on your display. It's pretty much it's completing inserting your ink cartridges. As you can hear, it's just doing its due diligence to have all the ink loaded. It's not hard at all. So again, after you load the ink cartridges, you just close the lid, and then it'll do everything it needs to do to complete the process. You'll get this page printed out, at least on my printer, once the cartridges are aligned.